Welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the rising tone in Vietnamese. So are you ready? Let's get started. You can notice that when someone speaks Vietnamese, they sound like a song. Why is that? Because in Vietnamese we have 6 tones. They are không dấu, without tone, dấu sắc, rising tone, dấu huyền, falling tone, dấu nặng, falling broken tone, dấu ngã, rising broken tone, dấu hỏi, falling air broken tone. Here I have a word with 6 different tones. Now let's hear how I pronounce these words. Ma, 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 ma. Again. Ma, 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 ma. Today we're gonna see how to pronounce the rising tone. I'm sure that you guys already know about the musical notes that are do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. So when you say a word without tone, for example here I have the word ca, you are on the sol note. To make the rising tone, you have to raise the voice to the do notes. For example here we have the word ca. Okay, let's compare again. A word without tone, ca, and a word with the rising tone, ca. You have to raise the voice from the sol note to the do note to make the rising tone. Let's compare again. Ca, ca. Another example here, I have the word ma without tone on the sol note and the word ma with rising tone on the do notes again. Ma, ma. Now let's try to say some paired words. The first word is without tone and the second one is with the rising tone. I'm gonna say the words first, then you'll have few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce these words. The first pair of words is ta, ta, ma, ma, mơ, mớ, ly, lý, cam, cám, tâm, tấm, tươi, tưới, chuôi, chuối, sương, sướng, sông, sống, nước, mắm, uống nước, khó tính, lấp lánh, bún cá. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the rising tone. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. Then on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Bác thích uống nước đá. Now a little bit faster. Bác thích uống nước đá. Now with normal speed. Bác thích uống nước đá. Anh đến nhà chú Đức lấy nước mắm. Now a little bit faster. Anh đến nhà chú Đức lấy nước mắm. Now with normal speed. Anh đến nhà chú Đức lấy nước mắm. Tối thứ 6 bác Khánh nấu cháo cá. Now a little bit faster. Tối thứ sáu, bác Khánh nấu cháo cá. Now with a normal speed. Tối thứ sáu, bác Khánh nấu cháo cá. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.